This is very obviously another one of those writing vocab questions, and so we need to make sure that we are following the rules of those questions. The first thing is, does anything seem just kind of like a bad fit? Does anything feel weird? So it's about feel, right? It's not about definition. And that's why the right answer ends up being secure, which is something a lot of people might kind of get rid of. Because you're like, oh, secure, you're thinking of like locks and keys. But we can use secure in a lot of different ways. And so in this way, it kind of means like, just like something simple like get. To gain or get recognition of his sculpture as art. So it fits, and this is why a lot of words that we use every day are the words we use every day. They have lots of different meanings, and so we want them to fit. Now, all of the words here have a familiarity, okay? They're ones that we would be comfortable with. So there isn't this danger of picking a choice that's too pedantic, too smart, too weird. We want something that people can understand. All of these words are understandable. But only secure is really academic. And that's the other piece of these, is we need to aim for that sweet spot where we have words that maybe are a little advanced, but definitely something we'd be comfortable using, and not so informal that it wouldn't be good for like a paper you would write for school. And that's really the problem with all of the others. They're way too informal, way too slangy for what we're saying here, right? Gather up, like it's very physical, like we're not actually gathering the recognition. That's kind of weird. Land and score, it sounds like you've like just committed an art heist, right? Like, oh, it's a great score. Like, no, this is very strange for this kind of situation. So score, land, these are kind of the things that you might say, in a conversation. You scored a good grade, or you scored a date with someone. Like, it's just a weird way of talking about something as formal as, government recognition of art. So secure is the right word. It's the right fit for the kinds of passages we're using on the SAT. But these are the kinds of things that you need to, just kind of feel out. You can't look these words up in the dictionary and know exactly which one is the right fit. It is about feel. But if you're getting these wrong because you're doubting your instincts, then maybe, yeah, these are the kinds of ones where once we predict the question correctly and know that they're about style, we know we're allowed to follow our instincts and pick things that, we would just say normally in an essay for school.